newest edition. Picked this up off a marketplace. It's the Toro, what is that? 22429. It was still in the crate. The guy had bought it for a rental fleet. He's no longer using. Pretty freaking sweet, actually. Just been out here running around the back edge of the property, clearing some stumps with it. But yeah, it was brand new in the crate, so a little bit of surface rust, but nothing crazy. Original teeth, all that good stuff. Has that nice Parker hydraulic motor in there. It's got the H valve set up similar to the CID brush cutter. Doesn't have a case drain for this one because it has that set up to relieve pressure, as I understand it. And yeah, I was just back out here where I had brush cut, and that left a bunch of little tiny stumps, right? Just went through and cleared that. I'll take some video of that here in a minute. And just running it. I got a steal of a deal. Honestly, I feel like it's a steal of a deal. Brand new in the crate for $3,000. I'm pretty sure it's about a $6,000 attachment, so half off. And feel really good about the deal. Gonna be offering stump grinding now as part of the service versus having to go rent one. Obviously, big stumps I'll still rent, but being able to take down stuff like this little spruce, we're gonna cut that down here in a minute. Be able to take that down and then grind the stump as we go, take the tree and the brush as we go. It's gonna be a nice add-on to the service that we're already able to offer without having to go and spend the money on rental, you know, all of that good stuff. Hopefully be able to increase profitability, but in a little 10-15 minutes I've had running it, and I probably should take a video there too, but I don't have a tripod or a GoPro on me today. You know, trying to get some additional services set up, but I can't really video everything if I'm running around and trying to video it with my hands. So my brother will be out here to help me here in a minute. He'll get some video while I'm running it and all that. But yeah, I mean, this thing's brand new. I'm the first one to use it, and I've ran it for about 10 minutes, so kind of excited. I may be out now for a little longer than 10 minutes now, maybe more like 30. But yeah, if you come back here, this is where we're running the brush cutter, the drone footage. I'll probably run this all in one video. I haven't edited that video yet either, so I haven't posted that one. You have to excuse me, I've got a bit of congestion going on. But you can see here, there was a big grouping of little tiny, you know, tiny little bush stumps here. Just ground that down, so that's below grade already. Oh, 3 or 4 inches probably. And then right here, same thing. There's a clump of probably 20. You can't even see them now, but they're below grade 2. So the little stuff, it's been awesome on. That spruce has been dead for a little while, so I'm curious to see how it does with the spruce. But we're gonna try it on that here in just probably 5 or 10 minutes here, and hopefully get that one on video. We'll see how long that takes to grind that stump up below grade, and then we're gonna come back in here. Picked up a new grapple, so I might just include all that in one video. I might do short videos too, both. And picked up a grapple from the Ritchie Brothers auction, which is awesome. Be able to clean this up, and the way that's designed, it's like a skeleton bucket with a grapple, so I'll be able to clean up all the brush, but also use the bucket as a land plane and actually grade back here as we go. So it'll really be a nice cleaned up finished product when we're done. Easy work for the old steel. That was me. Yeah. All right, ground up, 4 or 5 minutes. Little Toro Stump grinder on this case TL100. It's doing some serious work. Took like no time flat to grind that thing down, like I say, 4 minutes. Obviously it was a dead tree, but still, you know, relatively green down there. Not totally rotten by any means. The GIYI Grapple. Says it's a hollow wood grapple. Yeah, it opens all the way. I mean, that's an incredibly huge opening. Really beefy steel. Really have no negative knocks on this thing whatsoever. Just cleared a full trailer's worth of brush in 3 minutes probably. I don't know, 5 minutes maybe, tops. Really intuitive. It's controlled and set up the right way for it. Opens and closes the way you would think it would on this machine. Yeah, pretty sweet. Leaves a really nice finish actually, because it's got those openings, so you can really leave a nice finish as you scoop stuff off the ground. See, pick up little stuff and big stuff. Actually, for a Chinese import Ritchie Brothers auction deal, probably one of the higher quality ones we picked up. Most of what we picked up we sold afterwards. This one we're probably gonna keep. It's pretty heavy. Awesome work. This thing was all full through here. Now it's all in the dump trailer. Like I said, like 5 minutes. Super fast. My brother's in there running it right now. But again, it does nice work. I mean, and then it leaves a nice clean finish here on the bottom. It is heavy. Just commented on how heavy it is. It is a heavy attachment. Not that that's a bad thing.